Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to represent the low echelon form. So what is a low echelon form? A matrix with ones down the main diagonal and zeros below the ones is said to be in the low echelon form. So let me show you how a low echelon form looks for a 2 by 2 matrix and for a 3 by 3 matrix and for a higher order matrix. So let me take an example here. If we have a matrix like this, 1 A B and then 0 1 C, like that, and then if we were to have a partition there, let me represent this in a different color so that way I can better represent this. If I have 1 A B and then 0 1 C, like that, and if I were to partition this there, the numbers along the diagonals are ones, and this location here, the number below the diagonal is 0, and this is the desired form for a system with two equations. This is the way we want the low echelon form to look for a system of linear equations with two variables. Okay, then let me take another example and then explain how it should look, how the form should look for a system of linear equations in three variables. If I have a matrix like this, 1 A B C and then 0 1 D E and then 0 0 1 F, like that, and if this is a matrix and if I were to put a partition there, the numbers along the diagonal, these are all ones, and that satisfies the low echelon form, and the numbers below the diagonals, these are all zeros. This is a 0, this is a 0, and that is also a 0, and this is the desired form for the system with three variables. This one here is a desired form for two variables, system with two equations. This is the desired form for a system with two equations. Let me write this one. Desired form for system with two equations, and this is the desired form. This is the desired form for system with three equations, and we will see those examples in just a minute. Okay, so if I were to, similarly, we can represent for any number of equations, and if I were to take an example like this, 1 A B C D E 0 1 F G H I 0 0 1 J K L 0 0 0 1 M N and then 0 0 0 0 1 P, and if this were to be a matrix, and if I were to come back and then look at the diagonals here, the diagonals are all ones, and the numbers below the diagonals, all of these are zeros, all of these are zeros, and all of these are zeros, and this is the desired form for the system with so many variables. So I'm going to write here as that this is the desired form, for a system with many variables. It could be 5, it could be 6, it could be any number. Many. I'm going to just say many equations here. Okay, so this is the way we can represent. We can use the we can use the row echelon form to represent, to get the desired form for a system of equations in 2 variables or 3 variables or many variables. In my next presentation, we shall see how to solve system of linear equations using Gaussian elimination method with back substitution.